Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking as though, as we said, basically since the start of the year, pretty much every single cryptocurrency has been on the up. Mostly because of Bitcoin, I do think has been dragging the wider market up. You can see here, Polygon has actually had a very nice run. Down from around in this area at the bottom of that range we've been in for a long time here. Obviously, if you've watched the channel at all in the past 6 months, then you'll probably see that we have basically been in this range in between these two Fibonacci levels, the 0.38 and the 0.50. You can see here basically just bouncing between these points pretty much every time, apart from this big, you'd say overextension outside of the range, followed by the FTX collapse. We come back inside, we find support here, and then since the new year, as we said, been having a very nice run up here. Lots of green candles in a row, getting quite parabolic. We come up, obviously, we break through that 0.50 Fibonacci level, which is interesting to see. We come up to a level here, which is essentially, the overextension, we would say, up into these key areas here. And then since then, we've basically just been, coming back down to retest the previous resistance of the range as support. And then you can see we've got another little bounce here, and looking like we are essentially just, forming a little bit of a smaller range. If you look at the hourly time frame, you can basically see what's been going on. We've been more or less chopping sideways, trying to figure out what's next in the market. Obviously, Bitcoin doing the same, and pretty much every crypto, to be honest, is just emulating what Bitcoin is doing right now. So basically, you can see here, obviously, Polygon getting the overextension outside the range, back test, and you can see we've formed, you would say, probably a little bit of a range looking something like this, really, where you can see you've come up into this, got the overextension, you've got your support, resistance, we come down, support, resistance, resistance again. You could say, obviously, every single time that we have touched that 0.50 as well in these areas, pretty much every time that we have got a bit of a bounce. Obviously, here we got the overextension for that full retest of this previous level of resistance as support. But really, Polygon looking like it is just chopping sideways right now, waiting for the next move in the market. So we do think that, this parabolic move that we are seeing in the market is getting quite overextended right now, and realistically, you'd probably expect a pullback, which is what we are expecting as well. So I do think the next time that this comes up to the top of the range, I'll probably look to put in a short position somewhere in this area here like this. I'll leave this on the chart to see how it plays out in the future. But really, I'd be looking to take a short here, maybe come back down into, at least the middle of this range, maybe the bottom of this small range we're seeing here. But realistically, I would probably expect that Polygon will have a pullback fairly soon, in line with the wider market. Bitcoin also looking like it's going sideways, like it wants to have a small retracement, and that would be probably most likely what I'd be looking to trade over, essentially the next few weeks. So short term, I'm still bearish on cryptos. I do think they are going to head back down and probably retest some lows at the very least. Mid to long term, as always, bullish. Do think Polygon and many other cryptos are going to do very well in the longer term. So that's our analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. I do think this is probably going to have a bit of a retracement fairly soon. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.